Welcome to our short masterclass on building trust in agentic AI systems. By understanding trust, developers can enhance user adoption and promote societal acceptance, which are important for scaling any AI product. Agentic AI systems are autonomous, capable of making decisions independently. They can resolve issues without direct human intervention. For example, a customer service chatbot not only answers questions but can also negotiate solutions. Trust in agentic AI is vital. Without trust, users won't engage, and regulations may hinder innovation. Trust signifies reliability, ethical behavior, and alignment with societal norms. There are 6 pillars essential for trust. 1. Reliability, consistency in performance. 2. Explainability, users understand decisions made by AI. 3. Fairness, avoiding bias and discrimination. 4. Security, protecting against attacks and misuse. 5. Accountability, clarity in responsibility for actions. 6. Alignment, matching human values and societal norms. Each pillar serves as a foundation, helping developers implement trust effectively. Building trust starts with strategy and design. Step 1 involves selecting applications where AI provides real value. Assess risks thoroughly, including ethical and societal impacts. Step 2 focuses on data strategy. Use high-quality, diverse datasets. Keep detailed records to support transparency. Respect privacy and security from the outset. Step 3 covers algorithm development. Choose interpretable and robust models. Set clear performance criteria and regularly check for bias. Step 4 emphasizes deployment and governance. Continuously monitor for data and model drift. Establish incident response protocols and train users on responsible usage. Now, let's confront challenges like transparency and explainability. Utilize explainability tools and maintain clear documentation. For fairness, audit training data for biases. Engage diverse stakeholders in testing. Address security by limiting access and conducting vulnerability checks. Accountability requires defined roles and adherence to regulations. To translate principles into practice, follow these best practices. 1. Reduce hallucinations by restricting AI focus. 2. Provide comprehensive user documentation. 3. Ensure transparency and respect user privacy. 4. Engage in continuous monitoring for issues early. 5. Conduct ethical testing with diverse teams. At the end of the day, what any developer strives for is the impact of their product in real-world cases, leading to positive reviews. For example, a healthcare diagnostic agent that uses explainability to earn trust, hence improving outcomes significantly. Or a financial chatbot that resolves fairness concerns through auditing and user feedback, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. Fostering a culture of ethical AI involves collaboration among experts. Sharing knowledge enhances community learning. As agentic AI expands, so will trust challenges, like misinformation and deepfakes. Developers must shape a responsible, ethical future for AI. In conclusion, remember that trust relies on the 6 pillars and ongoing commitment. By implementing these best practices, you can create trusted agentic AI systems.